Good morning. It is 6:48 a.m. on a Friday morning. The car says it's 35 degrees out here. And I just picked up a Spark delivery for $21 and $21.73. It is a 3 drop off, so we're on our way to go get that delivery. And it's also snowing outside, but the bills doesn't stop, so let's go get this order. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. We're in spot number 10, and one other person is pulling up also. And they sent a notification that it was very busy out here, and I'm assuming it is going to be busy because it's raining and snowing out here. So let me go ahead and log in. I had to reboot my phone. It wouldn't even start. So I'll let you guys know how far we're going once my phone reboot. All right, guys, the first delivery is going to a house. And I'm sorry about the noise, but it's just too cold to cut this heat and stuff off. But we're going 8 minutes away. So let's go drop off the first delivery of the morning.
Everyone needs a shoulder to cry on. Everyone needs a helping hand. Everyone needs someone to rely on. Yes, everyone needs a friend. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light. Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Everyone needs somebody to lean on. Everyone.
My head up. Next
Head
delivery.
west on Wendell Drive toward Waltham Street, then
It's
turn
going.
left onto Waltham Street.
Next delivery is going 4 minutes away. It is a trailer park. It says inside the trailer park, right next to the base. Okay. All right, let's go.
Need someone who cares. If we come together as one, help each other get stronger. We are bound in the name of the Lord. So let's come together, celebrate each other, stand united as one. We lift our hands up and pray, lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us, there is a light.
Hey guys, the next one is going 5 minutes away. It says my apartment is the first apartment on the right as soon as you turn third floor. A reef on the door. Alright, man. Why do the heaviest one have to be on the 3rd floor? Oh my goodness. Here we go, guys. I just sprayed no water back there. We'll see.
North Armistead Avenue, then turn right onto
Let Him lead the way, lift our hands up and pray today. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, pray. Oh, together. We lift our hands up and pray. Lay all our love before Him with all of our faith. He is the change within us. There is a light. Let Him lead the way.
Cannot believe some people. I'm already taking some orders coming through. Hold on. Taking that 40 count of water, bottles of water, to the 3rd floor. I get up there and she gonna say, "Is that all?" Ma'am, I can't take it all at one time. You see me struggling to get to the 3rd floor with the 40 count case of water. Man, this started off rough. Glasses fogged up. Then we're waiting on another order. See what come through. All right, guys, I just picked up another order, which is a 3 drop off for $21.42. Let's go get it. Now, as long as it stay busy, I don't mind going, doing this because I need the money. But just waiting around, I don't like doing that. So we're going to pick up this next
Head
order.
northwest on Tradewinds Key
At the
toward
same-
Floyd Thompson Boulevard, then turn right onto Floyd Thompson Boulevard.
At the same Walmart that we just left. Let's go get it. At least these are 3 homes. I didn't see an apartment. So hopefully I didn't make a mistake. Let's go get this order. All right, guys, we're at the Walmart. Let's see what spot we're going to get again. Hopefully we can get 10 again, but someone's at 10, so maybe we can get
Your destination is on the right.
12. We're gonna get 12. Alright, guys, we're on our way to our first drop off, which is a house, and we're going, and I'm so sorry about the noise. 9 minutes away. Let's go. It's going to be a little noisy because I have to have this heat on. It's cold outside. And I'm sorry about if y'all having a hard time hearing me, but I don't want to freeze. So let's go drop this off. Next delivery, going to a house,
Head
and it's
northwest
going
on Powhatan Parkway.
5 minutes away.
Then turn left onto Shaw
Let's
Road.
go. Oh, I'm so sorry. I thought I had it on, but I didn't. We are going to the next house, which is, let me see, how many minutes? Look like 2 minutes. Just like 2 minutes?
Head southwest.
2 minutes away. So let's go. And this person, I'm at the right place. But the lady that came out, she said she didn't order groceries. And I see that it's a duplex, so it's 2 apartments, but she don't even know the name. Get out this busy street. She don't even know the name of the person that that's on this
Back
app.
online. You should reach your
But
destination by 8:48 a.m.
I know I'm at the right
Head
place.
southwest on 26th
But anyway,
Street toward Roanoke Avenue.
let's go deliver the
In
last
600 feet,
order.
Whenever you're down, out in the cold, faithless and dark, your story's untold. Come take my hand and walk there with me. I know a place where we can be free.
All drop-off has been delivered. So I'm gonna wait to get another one. It's getting a little warm in this car. And but I'm gonna go ahead and close out the video. I want to thank you guys for coming along with me as I went on and as I went on and did these Spark deliveries. We haven't done a Spark delivery together in a while, so I decided to bring you guys along with me. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked the video, please give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. You guys be blessed.